Okay guys, I'm here with Benjamin, who is a plant manager. He's one of my customers, and he has done something that's truly unique, I believe. It's going from marketing to operations, and that in itself gives a few challenges, I would assume, but also at the same time his business is booming. He has to hire a lot of new people, and that displays a lot of interesting challenges. So do you want to tell me more about that situation for you?
Yeah, so first, going from marketing to operations was something unusual. There's been a time contraction between marketing and operation. You have to take quick decisions on the go. And the plant here has been facing a lot of challenges. So going from 2 shifts of production to 3 shifts, new products with new formulations, so new way to manufacture the products. So we had to, well, in 1 year, to hire 19 people for a site that counts 65 people. It's a big change, and this is where we started to see all the little cracks appearing in the walls. And so, we are just starting the WCM deployment here on the site, but I expect WCM to really structure our approach. For myself, because I'm coming from marketing, so there are too many things that I still don't master when I'm in the factory, but also for the team, for all those people to better work together in a structured way. There are too many new people here. Sometimes they feel down because there are things that they don't understand, or they have the impression they don't do the things properly, but it's not their fault. It's just because things are not properly structured or not well explained. So we're starting now this WCM journey, putting the things in place, creating the forums for people to exchange about their ideas to improve things, and hopefully in a few months from now we can show some good results. And that's it.
That sounds good to me. It's so what you're saying really is that what makes me happy is that if you can see that WCM is a supportive way of thinking that could develop your people as well as your processes and your products and your company. So that sounds like really good to me. Perfect. Well, thank you guys. Like and share this, and send me an email and let me know more if we can help you out with anything in this area. And once again, thanks for listening.